What's that in there? What are you doing in the bag, silly? What are you doing in there? You wanna go shopping? Can I take you away? Take Mojo shopping? Whoa, your flash is like lightning in this camera. It's like...
I got enough pictures of him, I think.
Oh, he's gonna attack the bag now. Look at his eyes, they're like black. Oh God, don't you dare.
I wouldn't.
Moji, what you doing in the bag? Silly boys. Hello, Roscoe. What you doing? You're gonna come and stick your big butt in the camera.
Oh, me?
No, Rascal, because I'm talking to him.
Me. Stick your big butt, and I'm like, oh, nice, big butt, hey?
Are you winking at the camera? He just winked. You winking? Hanging out in the bag. What are you doing, Nosy? Lovey-doveys.